Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be doing this really simple makeup look, but glamorous, sexy, and bold. If you're interested, let's get started.
Eye primer is a base that I do every single time, but sometimes I skip it for my shorts because it takes so much time to show it to you guys. But if you want your Morphe eyeshadows to stay in place, go ahead and use eye primer. Let's add it with some eyeshadows. You can use beige colors or BB pink, whatever. And on top, I'm going with an eye pencil. This is dry formula, not waxy one, because the waxy formulas, they tend to crease super fast. I'm using dry formula on top of powders. It's going to stay there for good. We're going with the same BB pink color all over my lid, and then in the outer corner I'm placing a combination of two purple colors and creating a V shape to make sure that it's well blended and smudged out. I want to use same baby pink color, and we're going back and forth between purple, pink, purple, pink. In the outer corner I had some fallouts, that's why I had to incorporate this to my lower lid and smudge blend out with the same brush or any leftovers. In the inner corner of my lower lid, I use similar BB pink color. And if you have any uneven parts in the outer corner, make sure that you use a beauty blender or your own finger, or maybe you can use concealer, whatever you prefer. Go ahead and use it. Then with black eyeliner, I made sure that I have really thin, beautiful line that I will top later with some glitter. So let's talk about glitter. I have NYX Gold eyeshadow palette, or glitter palette to be exact, and my glue dried out completely. That is the main reason why I'm using Essence gel. This one is a Depuff eye gel, but it works really well as a glue. And I love the formula because it's specifically used for under eye area. Then you can use aloe vera if you don't have this Depuff eye serum. Whatever you have in your makeup kit, go ahead and use it. I will use a tiny brush and make sure that I have an extreme amount of this glitter on top of my black line, but I try to keep it a little bit higher than the black, so I want to emphasize the shade over my lash line. Let's use purple shimmers from the same eyeshadow palette over my lower lid in between and blend with a finger, with a brush, whatever you have. And then finally, I'm gonna coat lashes with mascara, and this weird dog is actually ruining my video, whatever. Guys, this is a complete eye makeup look. You need to add a little bit of powder underneath your eyes, but don't really add too much because it's gonna crease. And let's see how I've done my lip.
Real quick, I want to show you lip combination. This one is Morphe Makeup Academy Lawn Wear Liquid Lip, and it is super uncomfortable. When it dries out, it feels uncomfortable. I'm gonna go with my baby pink color to outline and contour my lips. We're going with Lip Cream Long Lasting, this one from Eveline, color Dream Pink 19. And I want to add this color on top of my previous because the combination of both, I believe, is not going to give any uncomfortable feeling. Last but not least is going to be lip gloss. I think I want to add a little bit of lip gloss. This one is from Essence, Shine 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 Lip Gloss. We're going to top my lips and call it a day. Okay guys, and this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. I am super late. That is the main reason. I'm going to see you next time.